Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back to Hella Products. I am here, and you can see Miss Daizy down here. Very excited because I have Miss Daizy's Christmas present. Are you excited about that? Oh, you are. It's like you know. Are you excited about this? Yes. Okay, let's see here. All right, so this has a little history. I previously got Daizy like a brain twister toy that was good for very active young dogs like Daizy. And people on Amazon were saying, oh, you know, you put treats in this thing and it'll occupy them for hours, and you know, I had to help my dog figure it out. So I was really excited because Daizy's, like, as you can see, like super active. And I got her this thing. Daizy, wait! I got her this, seriously, wait. I got her this thing and she cracked it, like she solved it in like 10 seconds. I'll put an image maybe over here of this terrible toy, and it had all these like 5-star reviews on Amazon, so I'm thinking the toy manufacturer paid people to write those reviews, or Daizy's a genius. Are you a genius? I don't know, she's a yellow lab, so not sure if she's a genius. She's very precious. So then my wife got this toy for her, and it looks like it's made of wood. It's a dog intelligence toy, Untitled Spielzeug. It's made in Germany. So I don't know. We figured maybe Miss Daizy won't be able to figure this thing out. But I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna try it out right here and see if the dog genius figures this thing out. So let me open up this box and let me angle this down so you guys can see. You're probably not super interested in me. Probably should have brought a knife. Oh, here we go. Now let me just tell you a little bit about this thing. I'll read the back. Fun skill game, challenges dog to find treats, playfully learn commands, robust board with sliders, can promote dog's fitness and intelligence, made of FSC certified wood. All right, FSC has a picture of a tree, so it must be some kind of like environmentally friendly thing, which is not too shabby. Oh God! Oh! This camera fell down. All right, there we go. It's all tilted, kind of amateur hour here. I'm gonna open it. Not too many moving parts, which is nice. It's wrapped in this nice little tissue paper. Has a instructions. Untitled Spielzeug. Whoa. Oh, here we go. English. Dear customer, promote and train the intelligence of your dog. Just so you know, this is what it looks like. Instructions. The more attractive the treat, the more motivated, whatever. Place the game on the floor, get your dog next to your dog, watch you as you prepare the game? Why would I let the dog watch me as I prepare the game? All right. To start, only fill one hole with the treat. This doesn't seem that difficult. We'll see. Fill a hole on the side furthest from your dog. Your dog will automatically try to move the boards towards itself with its paw. Initially, only slide the cover halfway over the hole so your dog cannot get treat with its snout and it has a scratch with its paw. Only slide the cover halfway over the hole. Why would I do that? Most dogs will start sniffing excitedly. Praise your dog as soon as it's... The dog should learn that it must slide the cover to one side in order to reach the treat. At this point, you can also use the command find. If your dog becomes frustrated and leaves and is unable to reach the treat, turn the lid a little to the side. Now the dog only needs to nudge it with its nose. Honestly, I don't think this is going to be a difficult thing for Daisy. This is not that hard. Once your dog has got the hang of this exercise, practice the second version with him and place it underneath the cone. I think that's the cone. Dogs should learn that has to push the cone to the right direction to reach the treat. Later on, you can also fill 2 or 3 holes. Okay, shall we give this a try? Miss Daisy? Are you ready? Oh, you brought a different toy with you. You know that we're playing. Okay, let's put this down here. Put that down like that. Okay. So, here is the brain teaser. Here are some treats. By the way, these are Lily's, which is the brand of food that Daisy likes. She has a very sensitive stomach, and we had to try lots of different brands before we ended up with this one. So they said to fill it with one of them and to show the dog where it is. I don't feel that would be fair to show her, so I'm going to, just between you and me, put it here. It's like a little magic trick. Okay? So now you and I know it's here. I'm gonna put it down. I knew it. Did you see how fast she found it? Unbelievable. All right, let's do another one. This looks like it turned out to be a huge waste of money, or Daisy's a genius. We'll put one on this end, and then we'll put one in the center of this little cone dealio. All right, Daisy, try and figure it out. Oh, you can't. Maybe you're not that smart after all. Go get it. Oh, you don't know. You got one underneath the little, I'm not sure which one you got. There's one more, Craybay. Did you get them all? I just told everybody on Hello Products that you're a genius. Looks like you only got one of them. I like this toy after all. Uh-oh. Do not eat the toy. You want me to show you? It was under here, dude. Here. Partial exploration now. Ah, you got it. Huh? Did you? Oh, this is a great toy, actually. This is keeping you quite occupied. All right, so there you have it. This toy seems a little bit more challenging for Miss Daisy than the other one. I mean, now that she's seen it, let's see how long it would take to do it again. I'm gonna put one under here. And then I'm gonna fill more than one hole. We'll do the center, and then we'll do this end. So there will be 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, Miss Daisy, now you know how it all works. Let's see how long it'll take you to solve it. Okay, you got the little bottom one, but do you find that those 2 little sliding guys at the top, they're going to be harder because you actually need to move. Oh, there's one. That's number 2, but there's one more at the other end. I wonder if you're just going to think you're done now. Yeah, you don't know, or do you? You're trying. You got 2 out of the 3. You think you're done? Huh? Is that it? What if I told you there's one more here, Daisy? Oh no, you're gonna... What are you doing with that thing? Oh God. I think you're quite proud of yourself, but you don't realize I'm not going to help her with that third one. Curious to see how long it takes, but I guess the takeaway is that this game is way better because the other one she solved within seconds, and this one, this has still stumped her. At least one of the 3 she hasn't figured out. Oh God, she's about to destroy it. Oh God, no. Oh, maybe this isn't that good of a toy. Daisy, rather than destroying it, maybe you can look underneath one of the other sliders. Oh God, she's about to eat the whole thing. She's gonna crack that wooden sliding thing. No, Daisy, don't do that. So, I think that's one of the risks, that the dog treats it more like a chew toy than a puzzle. Here's the other, that's where the other one was, dude. I just totally gave that to her. Alright, so hopefully this was helpful. I would not say this is a Hella Products because I think there's a risk she's going to destroy this wood part. I think she'll chew it, break it. It's already kind of loose. But it did keep her kind of occupied, so if you have like an important call or something, I bet you could fill this up and keep the dog at bay for at least a couple of maybe 5-10 minutes. What do you think, Day? Yeah? Alright guys, keep it real. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. If you have questions, ask me in the comments. Bye.